GoldenBee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.
Think before wasting food. It is the only treasure that keeps us alive. Food is the only source we live for and die without. Your physical growth depends on your food. Respecting food is respecting nature. Around 25,000 die daily due to hunger and around 20 million per year. Wasting food is also a waste of energy, water and time. Our school canteen serves the students not just with food but also with etiquettes and discipline by frequent washing of hands by students and staff, thoroughly cooked nutritious meals, proper disposal of wet and dry waste, proper food storage and serving facilities, organized dining area with proper discipline maintained. Vritha vrishti samudreshu, vritha tripteshu bhojanam, vritha danam dhanadeshu, vritha divo divapi cha.
GoldenBee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.